Mortgage Principal Reduction Program, offered through Trinity Bay Financial, Incorporated, an authorized affiliate of Addvent Funding, LLC. What is the Principal Reduction Program? It is a strategy to address the severe negative equity crisis affecting residential mortgages, an opportunity for mortgage holders to take advantage of a market correction strategy in an effort to reestablish an equity position, an opportunity for mortgage brokers, realtors, and real estate professionals to offer a valuable service to past and future. How does the Principal Reduction Program work? Addvent Funding is the direct link for consumers in this tough retail marketplace that works directly with private investment groups, real estate investment trusts, and private hedge funds that buy and sell mortgages on what is called the secondary market. These funds work with all of the major and regional banks, in tandem with federal programs made available to the public that will negotiate directly with your bank to purchase the note and then reissue your original loan back to you based off the actual value of your home. There are no credit requirements, no asset requirements, no property type requirements, only a minimum income percentage requirement. This program is essentially a transfer of the servicing and ownership rights of your loan from your bank to one of our private investment funds. Who is the ideal Principal Reduction Program client? Someone with enough verifiable income to support their credit debts, 50% DTI, or debt-to-income ratio. A homeowner with a loan-to-value position of 125% or greater on their first mortgage. Someone that is paying on their mortgage and is currently on time. Residential properties that qualify include single-family residences, condos, townhomes, investment and second homes are eligible. Program specifications. Fee to the client, assuming they are making their mortgage payments on time, is $1,945. There are no closing costs, points, application, or origination fees at closing, either out of pocket or rolled into the loan. If a client is deemed ineligible during the initial underwriting process, they'll be entitled to a full refund. If negotiation on their behalf is unsuccessful, they'll be entitled to a refund of their paid commitment fee, $950. Program highlights. Successful negotiation typically results in the principal value being reduced to the fair market value of the property based on a BPO, or broker price opinion. If appraised, the property would likely have about 10% equity upon completion of the negotiation. The terms of the new loan would be a 30-year fixed rate at prime plus 3%, 6.25 as of May 2010. There is a 3-year prepayment penalty of 6-month interest payments. No deficiency judgment against mortgagor. Loan shows as paid in full on credit report. Through this process, any junior mortgage liens would be satisfied. No income tax, capital gains tax implications. Principal Reduction Program process. Potential clients are pre-screened based on the two predominant qualifying criteria: property loan-to-value and debt-to-income ratio. Client is provided with an overview of how the program works, along with a written contract and supporting documents. Client submits signed contract, payment, and all necessary supporting property, income, and financial documents. File is underwritten. Approved files are sent to Addvent Funding. Pre-qualified candidates are submitted by Addvent Funding to the fund for negotiation. Submission options. Work directly with Addvent Funding as an independent consultant. You would be responsible to educate your client. You'd be responsible to pre-qualify your client. You would be responsible to send the contract and supplemental documents to your client. You would be responsible to collect the contract, payment, and supplemental documents from your client. You'd be responsible to underwrite the file, submit the contract, payment, and documents to Addvent Funding. Work with Trinity Bay Financial to submit files to Addvent Funding. Trinity Bay Financial would educate your client. Trinity Bay Financial would pre-qualify your client. Trinity Bay Financial sends contract and supplemental documents to your client. Trinity Bay Financial collects the contract, the payment, and supplemental documents from the client. Trinity Bay Financial underwrites the file, submits the contract, payment, and documents to Addvent Funding. If you'd like to work directly with Addvent Funding, please contact them directly at 1-866-668-6319. That's 1-866-668-6319. Additional Trinity Bay Financial affiliate benefits. Trinity Bay Financial offers a full-time staff dedicated to marketing Addvent Funding's principal reduction program. All calls are recorded for quality assurance and review purposes. Experienced mortgage underwriting team is available. You would be assigned a designated agent from Trinity Bay Financial to handle all your clients. For more information about this opportunity, email support@trinitybayfinancial.com. That email again is support@trinitybayfinancial.com.